check how harvest going on there. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are here at the farm and it's harvest time here. So you can see the rice over here. It's grains of rice here. So it's a harvest time here, harvest season. So there's 2 seasons to harvest here in a year. So they harvest only rice twice in a year, and this is the place of my family here. And we are planning to build a small farmhouse in this area here. So today David's seen how to do latest style of doing the harvest of a rice field here in the rice farm. So that's the machine they use now. Before, people are using like a hand in order for them to harvest rice. Basically, I was raised with a very normal or local style or very old style kind of farming, but now people here, farmers here, they are very high-tech now. They have these machines, and also planting rice as well is also a kind of high-tech here. So that's how Philippines way now. So that's how the way they do it. So they pack the rice right away when the machine is running. So I will show you some videos and highlights of how they did it. So this is one of my family's farm here. So we always go to that place out there. So that's my family house. And then here I will show you this is a different kind variety of rice. They use it for sticky rice. See the color, guys? They use it for sticky rice. So this is how sticky rice colored, you know, the grains is different than the regular rice. See, the regular rice is totally different, and this is one block down there with a, like they call it malagkit or a sticky rice, and then this is a normal rice. So yeah, we have a great time here. Just grab some buko juice later and headed back to home.
Take me where you go when the sun goes down, like a lightning bolt. We will make a sound out in the dark where no one sees us. The electricity between us. Out of bounds, I can only be free. Out of bounds, if you're waiting for me. Out of bounds. when the sun goes down, like a lightning bolt, we won't make a sound. Out of bounds, I can only be free. Out of bounds, if you're waiting for me. Out of bounds. Under the frozen line, we are a picture of the thousand nights. We won't come down, 'cause we shine so bright.
Hi, Kuya.
Good job. Yes, sir.
So, in order for them to take this sack
sir.
of rice to the road
Go, man.
where the big car is picking this up, they're gonna
Hercules,
carry it.
Samson.
Yeah, look at them.
My
Their
goodness.
use of doing this. I think more than 50 kilos or 100 pounds for
Wow.
one sack of that.
Samson.
Yeah,
Wow. That's amazing.
yeah. So
He
they
doesn't even
carry
need
it.
help. Look at him.
Yeah.
Oh, he needs help.
Malalim to eh.
I think that sack weighs more than his whole body. Oh, nice. All by yourself, no help.
So think about how you
Wow.
eat rice and think how rice being made, how it starts before it turned to be a rice grain. So it's a lot of hard work. It takes 3 to 4 months in order to harvest the rice, and yeah, it's a lot of hard work for farmers here.
Babe, I'm going to carry a sack.
Babe, that's too much.
Let's go outside. So we can put one on my shoulder.
And it's muddy. You need to be
No,
staying there.
outside.
Yeah.
Booyah, good job.
So David is challenged with these people here trying to carry loads of like pounds of rice. So he wants to carry it.
Carry that. Oh my gosh. It's like 100 pounds. How do they put that on their shoulder?
Yeah. And then for them, it's easy for them to carry.
They put it on their, look at the
Careful, babe,
shoulders.
there's a motorcycle.
I can barely carry it.
Yeah.
Honestly, I think it weighs like 100 pounds.
Yeah.
And look at Kuya, look at him. I don't even know if I could do that.
Yeah.
That's amazing. They actually need help to get it on their
So
shoulders.
now, think about how you refuse to eat rice and how the hard work they made to eat rice.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe they did that. It's so heavy.
See, it's easy for them to carry it. They use the shoulder and then the head. Ay, kuya. Nay nangawat og isa ka sako, kuya, oh.
Woo! Look at that. Crazy. Ah, wow. It's impressive.
Yeah.
That's tough work.
Yep.
Don't ever let me work in the rice fields. I won't make it. I'm too old.
Yeah, you do.
So then what they do, they take these sacks to market,
Yeah.
right? And depending on how many sacks you get,
Yeah.
how much money you get, and then that thing out there separates the rice from the grass, right?
David challenged my brother if he could carry that sack of rice. It's 100 pounds, and my brother did it. By the way, I just want to shout out my brother who was helping us here resettling here in Mindanao. He was a seaman way back before, and because of the pandemic, he decided to be with his family and don't want to go back overseas again.
So we are here in the farm, and the vegetable we took here is from the farm. Maybe I can show you the garden. And my cousin is cooking, so I take over. So I take over, and this is how the way we cook vegetables. So we're making pinakbit with no meat in it, just vegetable, no MSG, no seasoning, no, just salt, soy sauce, and pepper, and then a little bit of sugar, like a pinch of sugar, and that's it. So instead of having MSG, we use a pinch of sugar. So this is how the way we cook here in the farm, in the province. We use wood, and yeah, it's a great food, guys. It's a pinakbit. Oh, my eyes is teary. I never been.
Because it's smoke.
Yeah, it's been a while. I'm not used of smoke yet, but once I get used of it, I really need to have this kind of cooking. Oh,
It's my shirt, you know.
okay. Let's ready for lunch. So this is our lunch and a rice. David eats it now, so it's fresh from the garden. And then with the duck eggs here.
And that was a fun day at the farm. So we're headed back, going back to Tagum. And yeah, it's more common here to pass by in this shop here on the way to Tagum.
Go for 65 pesos per kilo. And they have smaller one here, 50.
Hope you like this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching!